Hello fellow travelers, and today we are heading to Sevierville, Tennessee. We will be checking into wilderness at the Smokies Resort, and we are going to be going over to Soaky Mountain Waterpark. There we will be taking advantage of the promotion for free admission for every registered guest during your stay, so come along with us for our final summer splashdown.
Tuesday.
Yes, we're in Tennessee. We're gonna go swimming. How's your lunch? Are you having a good time? What do you want to do next after you eat?
Go to vacation.
Go to vacation. Okay. You take that from him? We are in Tennessee.
Tennessee.
We're at Wilderness at the Smokies.
We are in Tennessee.
We're here at Wilderness at the Smokies again. This is our third visit at Wilderness at the Smokies this year. So we're going to try to get into the Soaky Mountain Waterpark today. We're here on Rod Run weekend, so it's pretty busy. The traffic is horrible. Getting in here took about a half an hour from the main road. So that being said, on a Saturday, we're not going anywhere today because it is absolutely slamming here. Hopefully tomorrow and Sunday it clears out a little bit and we can get into town, get down to Pigeon Forge, get up to Gatlinburg, maybe find something to eat up there. Definitely want to get to the track this weekend, so we'll see how that goes. I do a room tour, but nobody really watches that. You can get online and really see how it looks in here and what the accommodations are like. This time we do have a balcony. That's an absolute must. They have rooms without them, and we've stayed in them, and it's kind of cramped. It's kind of nice to get out here away from the kids. As you can hear, Grayson's already banging on the window. So I better get inside and see what the hell they want, and then we'll get to it. All right, crowded day, Rod Run weekend. We're gonna try to get into Soaky Mountain.
Oh, we're getting in. There's no try.
Well, yeah, I mean,
we're doing it.
We can do, right?
Let's just go for it. All right, we made it in. We made it in. So what are you going to try to do?
Well, we're going to try to get some POV of the avalanche. If I can get on it, it should be a long wait. And
I'm just going to take Grayson over to the baby area and the wave pool.
yeah, depending on how busy it is, we might just hang out maybe in the wave pool in the kids area. It doesn't matter. We're here at the Smokies. It's going to be a good time.
Yep.
While Sheila and Grayson are playing at Boomer's Bay, I'm going to ride the Avalanche water coaster. As you can see, the line is very long. Yes, you have to carry your tube all the way to the top, and it is heavy, so be prepared to sweat. Hope you have that Navy SEAL training. As you can see, you have a beautiful view of the water park from here. You can see it's a massive water park, plenty of things to do. I've been in line for about 15 minutes already, and I still have quite a ways to go.
While Lenny was riding the avalanche, Grayson and I were headed over to Boomer's Bay. They have several slides that have no height requirement, including the Mini Mayhem and the Little Rattlers. This area is perfect for toddlers, and they even have features for infants and smaller children. This is the perfect place to take your children that are too small to ride the bigger attractions at Soaky Mountain. Go.
That's Sushi, I saw that.
You did it!
By myself.
So after riding the avalanche, I met Sheila and Grayson at the children's area where they were waiting to ride the honeycomb slide. Height requirements 42 inches. Grayson got to ride that, by the way, and this ride is fun even for adults.
Oh my goodness.
Is it fun? Do you like that? Yeah? Is Grandma right behind you?
And double riders must not exceed a combined weight of 400 pounds. All riders and groups will
You
be
ready?
released prior to being
Are you ready,
permitted
buddy, to
onto
go
the
slide?
tube. Footwear of any kind.
Quit
is
doing
not
that. We're gonna get in
permitted.
trouble.
All riders between 4
Whoa, you okay? You alright? Whoa! Alright, man. Yeah!
Whoa! Oh my goodness! Whoa!
Hey, Wish! Whoa! Yeah!
We are going to attempt to get on the rainbow slide. That's not the name of it, but that's what we call it. You have to be 42 inches to ride with an adult. Grayson is super close, so I'm not entirely sure they're going to let him on. We're just gonna try, but they did let him on the snake den tube rides, and they also let him on the beehive slide, which those are both 42 inches as well. So I think he's really, really close. Fingers crossed, let's just go try.
Rainbow Revenge.
Rainbow Revenge. That was kind of right. I said rainbow slide, rainbow revenge. Let's just see.
Yeah, baby. Whoa, look at the hole. Wee, oh my gosh. So folks, that was our day at Soaky Mountain Waterpark. We had a blast. I highly recommend visiting Soaky Mountain if you're in the Sevierville area. As you can see, we're walking back to the Stonehill Lodge. It's about a 10-minute walk, so if you prefer to walk and skip waiting for that tram, as you can see these good people are doing, I highly recommend it.
So we just got back from Soaky Mountain. We had a really good time because Grayson, although I don't really think he's technically 42 inches, he's super close. So he did manage to get on quite a few of the slides over there. He got to do the bee slide, the snake den tubes. There's 4 different slides on that complex, but we did 2 of the 4. And then we got to do Rainbow Revenge, which is a family raft ride. So he loved all of that, and I'm really excited for tomorrow because we're going to Dollywood, and I'm going to try to get him on Dollywood's water coaster. I think it's called River Rush, but you have to be 42 inches. That's the minimum height. So we're gonna try. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll see you tomorrow at Dollywood Splash Country.